Hi, I'm Dr. Darren Smith. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in New York City. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about our liposuction procedures. This is a procedure that I specialize in and do a great deal of. I feel strongly about designing each procedure to meet every individual patient's needs, and this process begins with an in-depth consultation to talk about the patient's desires and a physical examination to come up with the best plan to exceed our patient's expectations. The liposuction process itself is fairly straightforward, and the results that you can expect really have a lot to do with choosing someone who has demonstrated excellence in performing this procedure and gained a reputation for delivering results that thrill his or her patients. Most single area liposuction cases can be completed in under an hour. Larger cases that target multiple body areas can take longer. Small liposuction cases can be performed under local anesthesia. I do prefer to perform longer, more extensive cases under either IV sedation or general anesthesia. And this is something that we can discuss in detail to ensure that we are designing a plan that is most in line with our patients' needs and desires. In terms of the recovery after our liposuction procedure, you can very reasonably, in most cases, expect to have the procedure on a Friday, for example, and be back at work on Monday. You will have significant swelling. You may have significant bruising. The swelling is usually such that you'll be back at your baseline appearance by about a week after the procedure. Bruising is almost always completely gone within 7 to 10 days, and you'll start to see nice results, nice changes after 2 or 3 weeks, but it can take a few months to see the absolute final result of these procedures. I'm looking forward to meeting you and discussing your needs in more detail, so please get in touch.
When I first considered having plastic surgery, I really took my time researching different doctors in my area, outside of my area, reading endless reviews. And actually, Dr. Smith was a recommendation from a friend of mine who had been to him and had great results and had nothing but the best things to say about him. So I didn't hesitate and booked a consultation with him, and within the first couple of minutes of meeting him, I knew he was the doctor for me. He answered every question that I had. I went in with a list of questions. He answered every question that I had, took his time with me, and actually that day before I left the office, I had my surgery booked. And days leading up to the surgery, his staff couldn't have been more accommodating with my calls and emails and questions, and they were great. Before the surgery, the anesthesiologist called me and answered questions that I had and really put me at ease. Day of the surgery was seamless. The OR nurses were making jokes and really trying their best to make me feel at ease with everything. And the surgery itself went great, couldn't have went better. My recovery, Dr. Smith was there, calling me at night, calling me during the day, always available, and the staff was always available, and everyone worked as a team, and it really was truly an amazing experience. And I credit Dr. Smith with making me feel so much better as a person. After having 2 children, I did not feel the same about myself, and really wanted to improve a few things about myself. And I am so happy that I found Dr. Smith and can absolutely and have recommended him to friends and family and anyone looking for an amazing result, and just a caring and all around great doctor.